Vanakkam, I'm the good boy. Welcome back to the channel. The punctual man is very punctual. Let's start again. Vanakkam, we are the good boys. The light drive. We are back with another brand new product.
So today we will be reviewing and unboxing the Boat 225 in-ear earphones. Over here, we have the Boat Super Extrabass 225 in-ear earphones. So this is a lime green color which we have over here. We'll also be showing you the other colors. So this phone comes in a total of 6 colors. We have the black, blue, forest green, frosty white, neon lime, that is the color we have, and the red colors. The earphone has a cost of 600 rupees and sometimes you can get it for a cost of 550 in the lightning deal in Amazon. Let's go ahead and open this box up. There is a warranty information card over here. There are a total of 6 pairs of ear tips given with this phone, which is quite amazing. There are 3 pairs of ear tips which are completely black along with the ones attached on the earphones, and there are 3 pairs of ear tips which have a light black and green accents on the tips. Also, there is a pair of wing tips provided with this, and there is also a clip which can be used to connect the earphone to our shirts. This earphone has a flat ribbon cable and it's somewhat angle free. The 3.5mm jack is gold plated and it is L-shaped and it is reinforced somewhat so that it doesn't break easily at the edges. Also, the earbuds are made of metal and it has a cold feel when you touch them. And also it is also reinforced here so that it doesn't break away. The microphone is made of plastic and it feels cheap and not good quality. But the earbuds on the other hand are of metal and it feels worth the price for the 600 rupees. The cable feels strong and it won't break that easily. So even with light walking or jogging, the earbuds don't stay in place that easily. Even with the smaller ear tips, the earbuds tend to fall out very easily. So you will have to use the wing tips to keep the earbuds in place. So this is the earbuds with the wing tips attached, and as you can see, it doesn't fall out that easily. The earphones are quite comfortable in the ear and can use it for long hours without any discomfort or any pain in your ears. The sound quality on these earbuds are really good. You can hear the highs and lows really well. If you have a really good phone, it will really improve the performance of this earphone. Also, if you are a bass lover, you will really love this earphone and it is a very good product at this price range. So currently I am recording through this mic which is present on this earphone. And this is how it sounds when I place it close to me, and this is how it sounds when I place it far away. The call quality on this microphone is good and you can use it for daily use. You won't have any issues. Also, there is a button present on this which can be used for audio playback controls, and also you can use it to answer calls or reject calls.
On request.
Today we'll be showing a brand new product on our channel.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Today we are back with another brand new channel. Light and channel. Welcome back to channel. Okay. Light.
Okay.
Light.
Let's go.
Don't forget the bell again. Bell icon.
Bell icon.
Okay. Nandri.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please do like our videos. Comment on our videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come on, Kamit, let's go.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon
for notifications.